I'm so bored. Just kidding, I'm not bored. Oh, hi, Peppy guys. I'm not bored, just kidding. I have my iPad with me today. I'm gonna go play it. Since I'm on Roblox and it sees don't have connect and I have no internet, this never happens. But then, oh, my TV put a breaking news for no reason. But then. Wait, I'm gonna turn off my TV so I can watch it on my iPad. Boom, it got on my iPad too.
I'm gonna go in there because
So, dun. Breaking news. Everyone, please get out. Go in a shelter, go under your bed, or go to the bathroom with no window. Because today it's a tornado, thunderstorm, rain. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I never heard about this. That's why I had no connection in my iPad and Roblox. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Peppa, we're going to the pool today. Get changed. But Mommy, can you not believe today there's a tornado today? No, I'm not sure. You're probably just lying. Oh my God, my mom is so crazy. Let me get off of my bed. Since we're gonna go to the pool that have a hotel, I'm gonna get a suitcase and pack my stuff. Peppa, hurry up and pack your stuff. Okay, oh my God, Mommy. Okay, I'll go get it. That's so ugly. This is my bag. I'm gonna go pack everything. First stop, I'm gonna pack my iPad. I'm gonna delete that one, guys. Time for my Apple Pencil. Oh my God. My mom is not gonna believe me that today is a tornado. Oh my God. Time for my skincare. I got some cucumber. Let me go put it in. What the Peppa, hurry up. Hurry up and packing because we are going to go to this right now. Oh my gosh, I need to pack my clothes. I mostly wear this all the time. Time to put it inside. Peppa, now hurry up. Okay, geez. Someone pass me my Starbucks so I can hurry up. So if I got some Starbucks, that makes me hurry up. Now my mom knows now. I'm gonna hurry up. Since if we're gonna go to somewhere else, I'm gonna pack my hat so I can keep my hat warm, my hair warm. Now I need to bring my snow. Just kidding, guys. I don't have to bring it. It's only for your hair. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys, my iPad's gonna die. Oh my gosh, I forgot to bring some pants.
I don't see no plugs in here. You might have to go inside the salon. Go inside the suite.
Okay.
Are you gonna sit in the floor?
Here. Here's your plug.
You want to see if there's one here? I don't think there's one here.
Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna sit over here.
Where? Where? Where?
Here, baby.
Where? Little fit.
This is so pretty in here, though.
Thank you.
I love your style.
Thank you, thank you.
Butterfly.
I needed to keep the transformation going.
Already looking good. You happy? You happy?
Yeah.
How long
You
ago
needed
was your
this.
cut? How long ago was your last one?
The last one was me. After her, and I couldn't, I was like, I need to find a curl specialist.
Well, the last time I actually got cut by a professional was like 6 years ago.
6 years ago?
Not 6 years. It was with Andy. It was probably like a year ago or
Oh no, time
when
to
she
pass.
did your bands in Cowley's.
2 years.
Like 2 years.
Oh wow, yeah.
My mom is
I
sitting
want bands,
down.
Mariana. I don't think you should do bands. I want bands. You know what? Hair grows. Do it.
For real.
I kind of let her. Her curls are different than mine, I think.
Oh, hers?
I think hers are a little bit tighter.
Oh, with,
What
with
the
these
crap?
ones? Yeah, they're really tight. She has like a bounce in her curl. But you can see the difference in change, right?
Yeah, I can.
Like how loose she is on her corners.
See, and I always thought that sometimes when they cut the hair, it seems like the bottom one is very long compared, and then this
Oh
one
my
shrinks very much.
God.
Yeah.
So I always thought, oh, maybe they cut it wrong. But now I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it's just because her hair, her way her hair sits.